Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I haven't done a hair tutorial in a while. I'm recently obsessed with this new product on the market called hair paint wax, where I could temporarily put color on my locks and wash it out. So I already have purple in, but I'm gonna do a mixture of purple and silver on top of the purple that I already have. So check it out to see how I go through the process. Before I even start putting anything in my hair, I always have to put like some sort of leave-in conditioner. And this product is really good when your hair is somewhat damped or wet, because then it just dries into your hair. And because I have locks, I have to go even or use more wax, I guess, than a normal person. So here's how I go through the process. Thank you all for watching. And by the way, if you used to follow me before, look how long my hair got. Man, these locks are like the best decision I've ever made to my hair. They have sprouted. I've been nourishing them. I've been drinking a lot of water. I keep it oiled and moisturized. So this lock journey is amazing. I'm now at 3 years. Just about 4 years in April, so this has been the best journey ever. And the fact that I could temporarily color my hair without damaging it, oh yeah, game changer. Great thing about this product is that you do not need a lot. I believe one tub could do about 3 or 4 applications to my hair. It's pretty long lasting. The best way for me to put it on is to do it as you see here, kind of working my way from the tips of my locks all the way to the roots. The first time I did it, I did them one by one. That was the worst mistake ever. It took so long. So this method, it still gets it in there, and it's evenly distributed. I just go through it a couple times. So, and look how vibrant the color gets. I love this wax. Alright, now I'm adding in my silver tips to make it look somewhat lavender. And with these, I didn't want it to go all the way up like the purple, so I am doing them more individually or little sections at a time. And voila, the finished product. Still very vibrant, but once it dries and sets a little bit more, it will become even more vibrant. I love this product, guys. Go check out Hair Paint Wax on Instagram. And again, thank you for watching my channel. Tell your friends about me, people that are starting their locks, people that are in their lock journey. Please share so more people could like and subscribe so I could do more videos. Thank you.
Rock to the rhythm, forth and back, forth and back, forth and back, 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 back. This is the moment that you all been waiting for. The S is, come on, you know this is for the white who don't know that my crew is definitely the solid